Happy morning students. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter algebra. Dear children, take your third chapter note and start writing. Children, take your homework and check your answers. Exercise 3.8, fourth sum. Fact is the following: x cube plus x square minus 14x minus 24. Right, we have to take, let p of x is equal to given polynomial, we should take it. When x equal to 1 means then p of 1 is equal to, have to substitute 1 in x, then minus 34 we got, then it is not equal to 0. So x minus 1 is not a factor. At once we can write. Next, we have to check trial and error method. Then x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 substitute. Minus 1 substituting time minus 10 we got. It is not equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is not a factor. So again we have to check. X equal to minus 2 is substituted. Here p of minus 2 is equal to, then 32 minus 32 equal to 0 we got. Therefore minus 2 substituting time x plus, then we got 0. Therefore x plus 2 is a factor. Okay, one factor we got, isn't it? This factor, with the help of this factor, I have to find out the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, 0 find out. X plus 2 is equal to 0, therefore x equal to minus 2. Okay, we have to divide this on synthetic division method. We have to divide minus 2. Then last remainder 0 you will get. This coefficient you should take it. With the help of this factor is a quadratic equation. 2 factors we will get. Okay. Therefore answer is, already we got 1 factor. Here 2 factors. Okay. Total how many factors? 3 factors. Okay. What's the answer? X plus 2 into x minus 4 into x plus 3. Okay, correct? Do you get the answer? Next we are going to see greatest common divisor. That means GCD. In the lower class you studied maybe, isn't it? For example, here GCD of 3 and 5. Sorry. GCD of 6 and 8. Okay. Then how you will find out the GCD? Factors you find out. How many 2's are here? 2 into, this one we can write 2 into 3. This 8 we can write as what? What are the factors we can write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, isn't it? This 2, which is the highest common? Which is the common? 2, and here also 2 is there. Okay. Then common divisor is 2. Okay. Common factor is which one? 2 is the common. This is the GCD. Have you understood? Like that only here also. Then here variable also given. Okay, variable. First find the GCD of the following. First one 16x cube y square 24x y cube is set, isn't it? This is the monomial. Okay, only one term. Okay, here only one term is there. Okay, 2 polynomials are given. Correct? The greatest common divisor, that is GCD. GCD, what is GCD? Greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor of 2 or more polynomial is the polynomial of highest common possible degree. It is the highest highest common possible degree. Okay, that is a factor of given 2 or more polynomials. 2 or more polynomials. Suppose numbers given means the factors you find out and common you should find out, isn't it? It is also known as highest common factor. That means HCF, highest common factor. Okay, GCD and HCF both also same. Okay, 4 subdivisions are given. This one I will explain. Then afterwards one idea you will get. Okay, first one. And here 16x cube y square. Okay, first polynomial you should take it. And this one 16 is there, isn't it? 16, how many 2's are available here, you find out. Okay, how many 2? 1, then how many times? 8 times it will come, then 2, 4, then factors you find out. Okay, 2, 2. Okay, how many 2's are here? 4 2's, isn't it? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, remaining x cube and y square, like that you should write it. And then next one, 24 x y cube z is equal to, this one also like that you find out. Okay, 24, how many 2's are here? 2, then 12, okay, then 2, 6, then again 2, and 1, 2, here 3, isn't it? That factors you write here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, then x, y cube and z. Okay, and equal to this one, which is the common factors we have to write. Okay, which is the common divisor. Before we can write here, how many 4's are here? How many 2's are here? 4 2, isn't it? So this one shall be write 2 power 4. Okay, then into x cube, then y square. Okay, and equal to this one also we can write what? How many 2's are here? 3, isn't it? Then 2 cube shall we write into 3, then remaining x y cube, then z. Okay, these two compare it, which is the common. Okay, most which is common, and that common only you should write it. That's a GCD. Okay, GCD is equal to, here 2 power 4 is there, here 2 power 3. Then so which is common? 2 power 3 only, both also common, isn't it? Otherwise one thing keep in your mind, which is the lowest degree. Okay, which is the lowest degree, that one you should write it. Okay, the common you check it. Okay, here 2 power 4 is there, here 2 power 3, which is lowest degree? 2 power 3, that 2 power 3 you should write it. Okay, correct? Here 3 not given, don't have, here 3 is there, isn't it? So no common, leave it. Then here x cube is there, here x is there, which is the lowest degree, lowest power? X power 1, that x you should write here. Okay, then y square, here y cube is there, isn't it? So which is the lowest degree? Here lowest power is y square, that y square you should write it. Y square only common, both. Okay, but z not given here, but here z is there. Okay, so no common. Okay, no common factors, so leave it. Okay, then equal to, here 2 cube we can written as what? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, isn't it? And then 4 2's are 8, 8 x y square. Otherwise like the 2 cube into x y square. Like this also we can write answer. Okay, this one enough. Then second one, y cube plus 1 and y cube plus 1, isn't it? Then and y square minus 1. First polynomial we have to take y cube plus 1 is equal to, this one we can written as what? Y cube plus 1 cube. Shall we write like this? Okay. Then this is of the form, which form? A cube plus b cube, isn't it? Already you know, a cube plus b cube is equal to, what's the formula? To say a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Can you remember? Can you remember this formula? With the help of this formula, you have to write the expansion. Okay, instead of a, y is there, instead of b, 1 is there. That means a plus b, that means y plus 1 into a square. A square means y square minus ab. Y into 1 is y, then plus 1 square. 1 square means 1. Okay, this is the expansion. Then y cube plus 1 and y square minus 1. Second polynomial you should take it y square minus 1. This is the question. This is of the form, this one we can written as what? Y square minus 1 square. Shall we write? Then equal to, and then this is of the form a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Instead of a, y is there. Instead of b, 1 is there, isn't it? Shall we write a plus b? That means y plus 1 into then y minus 1. Am I correct? Then afterwards these two polynomial expansion here both also check it. Here y plus 1 is there. Here also y plus 1 is there. Both also common. This is common. Okay. These two, are they very common? No, isn't it? This is not, no common factors. No common factors. Okay. Which is the common factor? Y plus 1. Both also available. So, GCD is equal to, at once you write it, GCD is equal to y plus 1. Any doubt? Then, third one, 2x square minus 18. First one, 2x square minus 18. Here which is common? Can we take common outside? 2 common we can take outside, isn't it? Into x square minus 9. Okay. Equal to 2 into x square minus 3. 9 we can written as what? 3 square. Okay, correct? So, with the help of this formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So, we can written as what? X plus 3 into x minus 3. Okay. Then these are the factors we wrote. Then second polynomial is x square minus 2x, okay, minus 3. With the help of factorization method, two factors we can find. Okay. Factorization method you know, isn't it? Product is minus 3, then sum minus 1. What are the factors you find out? What are the factors? It will come say 3 and 1 we can write 3 into 1 is 3 we will get, but we need minus, isn't it? So big number we have to put minus. Minus 3, 1. So the middle term we have we can split. Okay, then x square minus 3x plus x minus 3. Two term compare it. Which is common, x is common, x minus 3 plus this 2 term 1 common, then x minus 3. Okay. Then equal to, here inside the bracket x minus 3 is there, then remaining x plus 1. Okay. Now we have to check this polynomial. Here some factors we got, here also this polynomial also some factors we got, isn't it? And these two compare it. Here which is common? Which is common? Very good. X minus 3 is common. In both x minus 3 is there. Okay. So at once you write the answer. GCD is equal to, this is the greatest common. Any other number common? Here x plus 1 is there, but it is not in first polynomial. Okay. This 2 is not in second polynomial. So no common factors. This one only common. So x minus 3 is common divisor. Any doubt? Have understood? Afterwards, the fourth subdivision, a minus b the whole square, b minus c the whole square, and c minus a the whole square. Okay. Then here a minus b, here b minus c, here c minus a. Any common factors are here? No, isn't it? Therefore, then there is no common factors, isn't it? There is no common factors. No common factor other than which one? 1. Here no common factors, so we can written as 1. 1 is common. 1 into this one, 1. Isn't it? 1 into b minus c the whole square is 1. B minus c the whole square. 1 into c minus a we can write. Isn't it? Then which is common? 1 is common. Have you understood? So how we can write the answer? There is no common factor other than 1. Okay. Therefore, GCD is equal to, what's the GCD? Common divisor is 1. Any doubt? Now let's see exercise 3.9. First one, find the GCD for the following. First subdivision is p power 5, then p power 11, then p power 9, isn't it? And then here any common? Shall we check? Solution. First subdivision p power 5, isn't it? Then p power 5 we can write as what p power 5 we can write, isn't it? P power 5 into 1. And then p power 11 is equal to this one we can write as what? P power 5 into p power 6. Shall we write? Base are equal means then powers we can add, isn't it? Then power then base p, both also p. Then powers if we add means then we will get 11, isn't it? This one p power 9, how we can write, you say? P power 5 into what? Very good. P power 4, isn't it? Now you check it. Here how many polynomial? 3 polynomial. Okay. That is monomial, isn't it? Monomial. Then here which is common? P power 5 is common. 3 also p power 5 is there, isn't it? Then what's the GCD? Therefore GCD is equal to p power 5. Any doubt? Then second one, 4x cube, 4x cube, then y cube, then z cube. Here any common is there? Here 4x x is there, but here no x, isn't it? Y, here also not no y, here also no z, isn't it? So how we can write the answer? What's the GCD? 1 is the GCD, isn't it? How you will write the answer? There is no common factor other than 1, isn't it? Other than 1. Therefore GCD is equal to 1 is the common divisor, GCD. Okay. Next third one, 9a square b square then c cube is equal to this one. 9 is there, isn't it? Then what are the factors you find out here? Then prime factors you find, then 9, 3 is there, isn't it? 3 we can divide, then 3 3s are 9, and so we can written as 3 into 3, remaining a square b square c cube we should write it. Okay, this one we can written as one. How many 3s are here? 2 3s, isn't it? 3 square we can write. Then a square b square c cube. Okay, am I correct? Then second polynomial is 15a cube b square c power 4 is equal to 15 also. What are the factors you find out? Third table shall we give? 3 5s are 15, isn't it? So we can written as 3 into 5. Then remaining a cube b square c power 4. Okay. Here what's the 3 power 1? 5 power 1 is there, isn't it? So GCD how we can write? Therefore GCD is equal to this to compare it. Here 3 square is there, here 3 is there. Which is the smallest power? 3 power 1, isn't it? That value we have to take. The short form like that you keep in your mind. Okay. Then 3 power 1 is there. That power is less, isn't it? And lowest degree you should write it 3. Okay. 5 is not in first polynomial, so leave it. Then a square, here a cube is there. Okay, which is the smallest power? A square. Very good. A square, that a square write it. Then here b square is there, here also b square. Both also same. Then on b square write it. Okay, common term you should write it. Here c cube is there, here c power 4. Which is the lowest power? C cube, isn't it? That's c cube, write it. Very simple. Very important. Okay, important 2 mark question. Sometimes 1 mark also they will ask. Okay, have understood? Any doubt? Suppose here constant given is, then first you find out what are the factors you find out, write it. Afterwards common divisor you should find out. Any doubt? Then second question, find the GCD of the following. Second subdivision. Write the question. A power, second subdivision is a power m plus 1, comma, a power m plus 2, comma, and a power m plus 3. Okay. Here you should write the GCD. Therefore GCD is equal to, then here base are equal. Here a is there, here also a, here also a, isn't it? So which is the lowest power? That's a GCD. Okay. So which is the GCD? A power m plus 1. Okay, that's the GCD. Next, third sum, 2a square plus a. Next, 4a square minus 1. Okay. First one, 2a square plus a is equal to, which is common here? A is common. Correct? Then remaining 2a plus 1. If you multiply means then 2 into a square plus what? A into 1 is what? A. Isn't it? And then these are the factors we got. Then the second polynomial you should take it. 4a square minus 1 is equal to, this one shall we write 2a the whole square? 2a the whole square. We can written as 2a the whole square. Minus 1 we can written as what? 1 square. This is of the form a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Am I correct? So we can written as what? Instead of a, 2a is there. Instead of b, 1 is there. Okay, expansion is same. 2a plus 1 into 2a minus 1. Am I correct? Then afterwards these two factors check it. Okay, GCD is equal to, here a is there, but here a not given, isn't it? A is not given. So we cannot take common. Leave it. 2a plus 1. Here also 2a plus 1 is there. Both also common, which is available 2a plus 1. Okay, remaining any other common? No. Isn't it? Any other common? No. So what's the GCD? 2a plus 1. Okay. Then fifth subdivision, x power 4 minus 1, then x square minus 1. Okay. First one, x power 4 minus 1 we can take. Here x square, shall we write this one? X square the whole square minus 1. 1 square. Okay. This one also the same formula, a square minus b square formula. But here a is equal to x square, b is equal to what? 1. Am I correct? Here substitute same a plus b. That means x square plus 1 into a minus b. That means x square minus 1. Okay. And equal to, here x square plus 1. We don't have any formula. Okay. But this is of the form, again we can write what? A square minus b square form. Am I correct? Instead of a, x is there. Instead of b, 1 is there. So how we can write? X plus 1 into x minus 1. Am I correct? 1 we can written as what? 1 square. Any doubt? Okay. Then these are the factors we got. Then next, x square minus 1. X square minus 1. This one we can written as x square minus 1 square we can write. This is of the form a square minus b square. Okay, here given a square minus b square is equal to, you say, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So, instead of a, x is there. Instead of b, 1 is there. Isn't it? So, we can written as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, correct? So, we can written as what? X plus 1 into x minus 1. Otherwise, directly also we can write it. So, no problem. Therefore, GCD is equal to, how we can write? GCD, x square plus 1 is not in here. Isn't it? X plus 1, here x plus 1 is there. Common, x plus 1. Okay. Then afterwards, x minus 1, here also x minus 1 is there. These two common. Okay. X minus 1. Any doubt? So we can written as x square minus 1 also we can write it. This is the common divisor. Any doubt? Next, sixth subdivision, a cube minus 9a x square. Okay. First you write it a cube minus 9a x square. Here which is common? A is common. Shall we take common? A common we can take outside. The remaining you say a square minus 9x square. Correct? 9x square. A we took outside, isn't it? Then equal to a into, this one shall we write here, a square minus 3x the whole square shall we write? This 9x square shall we write here 3x the whole square? Okay. Then this is of the form, which form you say? A square minus b square is equal to, what's the formula you say? A plus b into a minus b. Okay. Here instead of a, what is available? Instead of a is there. And instead of b, 3x is there. Instead of 3x. Any doubt? Instead of a is there. Instead of b, 3x is there. So, shall we write a plus b? Then this a into a plus b. That means a plus 3x into a minus b. That means a minus 3x. A minus 3x. Okay. Then second one, second polynomial, a minus 3x the whole square. That means a minus 3x 2 times we can write, isn't it? A minus 3x into a minus 3x. Am I correct? This one, a minus 3x 2 times have to write. Okay. Then what are the factors which is common, which is the highest common factor? You say, which is the highest common factor? A minus 3x, here also a minus 3x is there. But a is not in here. A plus 3x also not in second polynomial. Am I correct? Therefore, GCD is equal to which is common. Okay, this one only common. A minus 3x. Sorry. A minus 3x. Have you understood? Very simple. This one 2 mark question. Be careful and study. The same model. Some questions shall I give homework? Then exercise 3.9. First sum. 3 questions we completed, isn't it? 4th subdivision to 8th subdivision. 8th subdivision. Okay. 4th to 8th homework for you. Then afterwards, second one, first subdivision homework. And one more question. This one we did not do. That question homework for you. 4th sum maybe. Remaining completed maybe, isn't it? Any other question missing means that question also you do homework. Okay. The same model you should follow. GCD or HCF. GCD means greatest common divisor. HCF means the highest common factor. Okay, both also same only. Okay, then the competitive exam also, this one very important. Anyway, one question from this area, one question they will ask. Okay, be careful and study. These are the basic, everything you should study properly. Okay, good morning.